Appium Mobile Automation Testing. Real-time scenario-based Appium Mobile Automation Testing Interview Questions and Answers for Experience Part 2. Scenario 1. App crashes after login during automation. What steps will you take to debug? Answer. Check Appium server logs and ADB logcat for crash trace or exception. Validate if the login credentials are correct and the test data is not corrupted. Check if permissions are causing issues after login. Try launching app manually to reproduce the issue. Add try-catch in script to catch and log crash events. Scenario 2. Your script fails intermittently with element not visible error. How do you fix this? Answer. Use explicit waits instead of implicit waits. Java. WebDriver wait equals new WebDriver wait, driver, duration of seconds, 15. Wait.until, expected conditions. Visibility of element located by .id, login _button. Avoid direct XPath based on dynamic positions. Add retry logic or custom polling using fluent wait. Scenario 3. How do you verify that login was successful without checking the home page title? Answer. Check for unique element only present post login, example welcome message, or user profile icon. Validate backend login status via API, if applicable. Check app state or activity using Java. Android driver.current activity. Scenario 4. You need to test the same app on 3 different devices. How will you manage your framework? Answer. Use parallel execution via separate Appium servers, UDID, system port, etc. Multi-threaded test ng configuration. Parameterize device details in test data or config. Example test ng XML. XML. Suite parallel equals tests, thread count equals 3. Test name equals device 1. Parameter name equals UDID value equals emulator 5554 / test. Suite. Scenario 5. How will you validate in-app payment success via automation? Answer. Navigate through purchase flow and capture post-payment screen. Validate success message or payment reference number. If integrated, check via backend, API response, or DB entry. Take screenshot as evidence. Java. File src equals take screenshot, driver.get screenshotays, output type.file. Scenario 6. Your app has infinite scrolling on product list. How do you test it? Answer. Use swipe or scroll gestures in a loop until end of list. Java. Dimension dim equals driver.manage.window.getSize. Int start y equals int dim.height * 0.8. Int nd equals int dim.height * 0.2. Int x equals dim.width 2. Touch action equals new touch action, driver. 4. Int I equals 0, I less than 5, I++. Action.press, point option.point, x, start y. Wait action, wait options, a duration of seconds, 1. Move to, point option.point, x, nd. Release, perform. Scenario 7. App requires fingerprint login. How will you automate it? Answer. Only supported on emulators or simulators. For Android. Bash. ADB, EMU finger touch 1. For iOS simulator. Bash. Xcrun Synctal biometric enroll booted yes. Xcrun Synctal biometric touch booted. Scenario 8. A pop-up blocks the next screen during execution. How do you handle unexpected pop-ups? Answer. Use a generic method to detect and dismiss common pop-ups. Java. Public void handle unexpected pop-ups. Try. If a driver.findElement by .id pop-up_close is displayed. Driver.findElement by .id pop-up_close click. Catch, no such element exception // pop-up not present, continue. Place this method before major screen transitions. Scenario 9. How would you validate offline app behavior when there is no internet? Answer. Use ADB to disable or enable network. Bash. ADB shell SVC Wi-Fi disable. ADB shell SVC data disable. Check offline message, error pop-ups, or cache data visibility. Re-enable network and validate auto-sync or state restoration. 10. Scenario. App has different behavior in portrait versus landscape mode. How do you test both? Answer. Java. Driver.rotate, screen orientation.landscape. / validate UI or state. Driver.rotate, screen orientation.portrait. Capture screenshots in both modes and validate layout consistency. Scenario 11. What do you do if the test behaves differently on different screen resolutions? Answer. Use responsive design checks. Validate with Layout Inspector. Design scripts to work with relative positions, not hard-coded coordinates. Scenario 12. How do you test a QR code scanner using Appium? For emulators, use a mock image. Use ADB to push an image to the device gallery and simulate camera intent. Validate that the scanner detects QR successfully and proceeds as expected. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. See you again.